At Bakersfield College, we are using Starfish to create your degree plan. To get started, first you will want to log into your Inside BC portal, select the Tools drop-down menu, and then click Starfish. On the upper left-hand side, there are 3 lines, which is a menu option. We also call this a hamburger. The menu that you see here will be different for you. So, 1 second while I load a test student. Now on your screen, this is the part where you would choose Degree Planner. And you would either have a plan already started or we would create a new one. We will start by creating a new plan. Okay, so let's begin to build your degree plan. The first item that you want to begin is to build with your catalog year. And if you are a brand new student, you would start with your current academic year. If you are unsure what your catalog year is, please ask an advisor or counselor. The next area to choose is your program of study. You can either start by typing in the letters that your program starts with, and then you'll see everything that matches up to that, or you can select the Browse link, and you will see an alphabetized list of all of our programs. So for today, we will go ahead and choose Agriculture Business AST. You will see the program requirements that can either be printed or saved as a PDF. We will go ahead and add this to the plan. You can add another plan if you have a double major, or we can move along to adding your general education. Now, since this Ag Business degree ends with the letters AST, or if your program had the letters AAT, that means that you will need to choose a transferable general education pattern. So we'll select the Browse, and you will either choose CSU or IGETC. If you are unsure which one to select, be sure to talk to your counselor or advisor, as it will depend on where you're wanting to transfer to. For today, we'll go ahead and select CSU. And again, you can either save this as a PDF or print. And we will go ahead and add this to our plan. Okay. So now we will go ahead and look at advanced settings. The first term, or the first item under advanced settings, is asking when you want to begin your plan. The default is always set to the following term, so if you would like to see the term that you're currently registered for, then you would select that term. You can even go back to a previously completed semester. Then you'll see the number of units per semester as 15. 15 is the default amount of units that Degree Planner selects. This can also be changed by you to meet your needs. If you are not able to take 15 units, then go ahead and select a different amount. The next question is asking about summer classes. Now the reason I like to bring this up is if you were to select yes, and we have 15 units here, then every summer it will populate 15 units of classes. So I recommend leaving it at no because it can be changed after you build your plan. The rest of the questions within advanced settings have to do with how you would like to take your classes and when you would like to take them. The more restrictions you add, the fewer section offerings will populate. Therefore, if you select that you only want to take evening courses, then only the options that have evening sections scheduled will populate. I recommend leaving this area blank. You can choose it later after your program is built. Okay, so at the bottom, you'll see the orange button called Build Plan. Let's go ahead and get started by hitting Build Plan. That's the end of part 1. Please look for part 2 to continue building your plan.